Okay, I've got a Goodman air conditioner. The furnace and air handler is in the garage. But I air quit last night. When I came out here, my LED indicators said L6. So I looked on here, and L6 corresponds to open start circuit lockout. Couldn't find a lot of info on it, but the research I did find led me to check the capacitor. As you can see, when I go to check it, I've got 4.9 on the fan circuit, which is good. It's supposed to be 5. This should be 40. But I've got 13.2 on the HERB, whatever that means. So I took the capacitor into a shop, an appliance place, and they verified my readings, and I bought a new capacitor. Easy install. I had the disconnect pulled, so I had no 220 coming in here when I worked on it, and I shorted out my capacitor with a screwdriver so as not to get shocked. Put it back in, and I still had an L6. Pretty darn frustrating. Didn't know what to do. Before pulling all my hair out, I went into the garage. I realized I had not unplugged or disconnected power from the furnace. Once I unplugged that, it allowed the circuit board to reset, plugged it back in, and it's all good. It's purring away. So basically, I'm hoping this helps somebody with an L6 error code on their Goodman AC.